Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stands video. Okay, this is called Black and Yellow Supra 4K. Basically, which one of these Supras are better, the black one or the yellow one? I mean, I don't know. Black sounds sexy because my car is black. So let's go ahead and let's check it out, okay? Thank you so much for all the support, guys, on the car channel. I really do love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And let's check it out. Let's go. And shout out to Crispy Media. Oh, they sound sexy though right now in my ears. Oh, the yellow one is nice. The black one is matte black? I don't know. Damn, they both look clean, I'm not gonna lie. Sheesh. Yo. Yo, these Supras are fucking sexy. I don't know. It's hard to choose because they're both nice. Let's see what's going on. What's going on? Is that like a apartment complex? That looks weird. The building looks weird. Domino's Pizza. Is that a Goku sticker in the yellow one? I don't know which one to choose. That carbon fiber hood is sick. Crispy Media. Ah, with a donut. I love it. Crispy. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. Peace.